Video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create some interesting concentric circles using brushes in Photoshop. Now, I'm going to remove this now and all the way back to there. Now, once you've actually done that, go to the brush tool and I'm going to use just one of the very basic brushes, just one of these ones, the round brushes, and just make something that's 100% there. Make it approximately the same size, maybe a little less than the document, because you're going to jitter between those sizes. So this document's 1200, so I'm going to go for about 1082. Now, once you've actually done that, make certain you've got like the blending mode of difference or something like that. Doesn't particularly matter, as long as it's not normal, because otherwise it will just keep layering on top of each other. So maybe try another, depending on what you want. Difference, for perfectly okay. Now, go to brush settings, go to window and brush settings. And just going to go for color dynamics, push up the hue jitter to about 96, saturation again very high, brightness you could obviously change depending on what you want, and shape dynamics, size jitter, that's the key one here, so that's 97%. Right, got the color there, orange, you could change that to any color you want, doesn't have to be orange, it could be black, green, blue, whatever color you want. Now, just going to use a layer, because then with a layer I can actually turn it into a smart object later. So just go for a layer, and then I can. Now what I want is approximately in the centre. Now you could use guides, you could use a create guides or ruler or whatever, so you can find the exact centre. I'm going to be approximately there. Click, then just keep clicking. Basically, click, 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 multiple times. Maybe not hundreds of times, but you could. That's why I said about the blending mode. If you go for normal, you'll end up just maybe getting a couple, and then it will overwrite it, so you don't want that. So what you want is that sort of, so it actually puts on top. Now, right, now it's a layer. I'm happy with that. Now I moved out, I'm probably never going to get exactly that position again. Now, what you can do, just use that as a smart object. Just go to a layer and smart objects and convert to smart object. So you've got it as a smart object. And now you can just quickly duplicate it. I'm just going to use the Alt, so just go over here and Alt and duplicate. Now I'm going to resize as well. I don't want all the same size, so I can just drag that. Alt over there, there. Alter option, depending on what system you're on. And fill the screen with those circles. Now once you've done that, of course you can finish. But you can, of course, as a smart object, you can apply effects. You could go for, say, filter, maybe Gaussian blur, so you can just get a slightly blurred design as well. Or maybe go and select another one. Just go to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, and then modify the colour there. Maybe boost up the, click OK. Right, hope you found that of interest. Thank you much.